Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Roman Catholic Evening Secondary School Mihmyntdu kum kawai na kislam ajing hikai yaki khana bawan na kalong yeng baduna ka yok kakat haka shpau tarik nai lur kala Rakhe ka World Literacy Day dak ba penong ya ka program kerpang ban pen sngut ho yaki khana halor ka jing koridor ba jinan kam ka jingnang jing start haka ni ka juk ka bementa ya ka jingalang la penyat da Jessica Biam head teacher RC Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu haka jingdon lang ka kong Dila Thong BMC SSA Laskain kum ka kongsan nalor ki dukhat ka school managing committee ki bakanthop di Reverend Father H Lamare Frederick Sena Sister Pushpa Bek Sister Shala Principal Don Bosco School Mihmyntdu kinong hikai ki khana school bat ki wei Reverend Father H Lamare ula ai ki kentian kerku kerdo bat kentu kan phamru ya ki khana uba Frederick Sena dukhat SMC ula batai shaphang ka jingkordo jong ka puli puthi bat ka jingnang jing start kat ba ka kong bayahun lang phawa assistant teacher RC Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu kalabatai halor kaphang promoting multilingual education literacy for mutual understanding and peace kakong manchaki lalu teacher in charge OOSC Special Training Center RC Eve Mihmyntdu kalayathu yakrukam trikam jong ka center nadu usnam araja khatlai hakajing penyat kakong Tina Lakyang kakong Dila Thong BMC SSA Laskin Block kum kakong san kalapan pau ka jingkemen bandan bentalang hakani ka program ringkat bergi khana pat kadap da ka jing sngu buram yakinong penyat jong ka RC Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu lapan phu ya ka jingalang da ka jing ruai jing shat ka jing pule poetry bat ka jing kop drodur balashim menta da ki khana ka ni ka school
Education is for social change. Change become better, not become worse, become better. Therefore, let this program that we have today, let us go out from this room with this in mind. I should become better, I should help others become better, and so on and so forth. That is the purpose of literacy, that's an international literacy of the world today. I pray and wish that our program, our children that perform programs today will also learn. It's just not just performing, but learn what is really what we are doing.
Program like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, free and compulsory education for children below 14 years of age, midday meal, adult education have been going on in India for many years so that people can understand the importance of literacy. But unfortunately, even today, there are children who did not get the opportunity to go to school. Over the years, International Day has focused on various related themes related to literacy. So the theme for this year, 2024, as we have seen there in the flags, is promoting multilingual education, literacy for mutual understanding and peace. Multilingualism refers to a person's ability to read, write, and speak more than one language. As in our school, now we are teaching 3 languages, that is Khasi, English, and Hindi, to encourage students to learn Hindi also. In the increasingly globalized world, multilingualism connect diverse people, promote understanding of each other's culture, increases mutual respect, and promote peace and brotherhood in the world. In today's world, in which multilingualism is common practice for many. Empowering people by adopting a first language-based, multilingual approach to literacy, development, and education is particularly effective for its cognitive, pedagogical, and socio-economic benefits.
From the meaning itself, it is clearly understood that World Literacy Day means we are here. We are here to put our efforts, our dedication to get rid of or to eradicate illiteracy. You know, literacy is the basic needs of human beings. I remember someone said that fooding, clothing, sheltering, those are the basic requirements of human beings. But today in this emerging society, today in this society or exploding knowledge in this world, I felt that not only fooding, clothing, and sheltering are the basic needs. The needs and aspirations of children are very high nowadays. So education, don't ever think that, okay, education, no need education. Why should you go for further education? Because we won't get any government job.